Hello to everybody, and hello again to everyone who is watching me at this special moment. I wish you a happy day or happy night. It depends on what time is it now. I am MAYALA277's. I'm going to explain a few things about Congo, especially the diaspora, those who speak English, because there are a lot of people out there, they don't understand what is going on Congo and why this war or the genocide, the cause of it. So that's why I decided to try to explain a few things to the diaspora and to everyone who doesn't understand what is going on in Congo right now and how it started and why, the cause. I think there are three causes, or there are three reasons why we have this war in Congo, the genocide in Congo. Like I said, there are three reasons. And what are these reasons? First reason is about history. There's cover up of history, race cleansing, and the second reason is about spirituality, not religion but spirituality. The third thing, or the third cause, is about mineral resources. So this is the three cause of the genocide in Congo, or the wars that has been going on for long time until today in Congo. Now I'm going to explain why history is a cause. We black people, around 220 BC, we used to live in Ethiopia. In Ethiopia, Egypt, and Israel. But at the time we used to live in that area, our ancestors, they used to call it, for example, Ethiopia. We used to call it Ethiopia. Egypt, our ancestors used to call it Ngipiti or Ekipata. Israel, our ancestors used to call it Kana. But when the invader, the Babylonians and the Arabs, invade Egypt, Ghana, and Ethiopia, they change those original names. They give it their names. Even Africa itself, we used to call it Katiopa. So this is the origins, or the original names of this continent. But at the time, like I was saying, in 220 BC, the whole rest of Africa was empty. But since 220 BC, the Babylonians, at the time, even Europe didn't exist. But those white people, they came from Babylon. If we would like to situate Babylon right now, Babylon is the land that we call today Iraq, Afghanistan, Turkey. All that land, it used to be called Babylon. But the Babylonians, the white people, they fought against the Arabs, and the Arabs kicked away the white people, and that's how the white people lost Babylon to the Arabs, and they came and created Europe. So we, like I was saying, we used to live in Ethiopia, Ngipiti, Ghana, and when we fought against the Babylonians and the Arabs in around 220 BC, we left Ghana, Egypt, Ethiopia, and we came and built up new kingdom that was called in the name of Congo Diantrotela. So that's the brief history I'm trying to give you for you to understand the cause of this war. So all those pharaohs used to live in Egypt. They left Egypt and came down into the heart of Africa and build up a new kingdom that they give a name of Congo. So today, all black people, wherever you find yourself, in Jamaica, in Haiti, in Cuba, in Brazil, or wherever you are, these people, they are original, the origin is Congo. When slavery began, these people, they was taken by force into Congo and taken away into slavery. And when they reached Europe, then they began to sell them to other Europeans. So that's how slavery began. Europeans came and take people by force and bring them into Europe, into slavery. And that's when also the first fight in the heart of Africa began between us black people and the European. 13 millions of black people or Congolese was taken into Congo de Antotela, into Cuba, into Brazil, into Jamaica, into West Indian, in America, wherever you are. You came from Congo in year 1482. So to cover up this history, they try to cleanse, they try to kill all the black people who knows the history, so that history, the new generation will never know their source or their origins. Because Egypt now is occupied by Arabs, so for them to cover up the history, they have to clean, or they have to kill all those old people, and those are strong, the young, the very tough black people, so that this history will never known by anybody. So that's the first cause. Now the second cause, like I was saying, spirituality. We are the black people, we black people are the one who taught the European spirituality. If you go into the book of Acts 7, verse 22 to 25, you will see that Moses took his education into Egypt. All his wisdom and spiritual or religious education, he was taught by our ancestor in Egypt. And when he went back to Babylon, and he created the religion that they call Judaism. So because of that, the European or the Babylonians, the white people, they used to worship black gods, and these are the reasons why when they created the religion Judaism, now they want to destroy black people so that they will cover up the sources of spirituality or the sources of religion, and make it like they are the sources of these religions or the sources of the spirituality. So we should continue to worship them. That's the aim. And we have prophecies that was left that at this special time there will be a prophet or a messenger will be born to free us spiritually, to free us scientific in science, and to free us in politics. Because our ancestors had independence, but that independence was not really or proper independence. They kicked away the European into Africa, but they left black people, they left their religion, Christianity, and also Islam, that is keeping us in under their mind control or spirit control. And also they are the one who rule Africa in politics or in science. Also they are the one who create, but we only consume. We only consume the things that they create. So they have to keep us in that way, so that they should always benefit from us. So this is the second reason. So they trying to kill those or the messenger that we have right now, who should lead us into this freedom. But because they cannot, they've been trying, but they cannot kill him. Now they're trying to kill everyone. So that the revolution, which will lead black person to freedom, will never happen. So that's the second reason. The third reason is mineral resources. Mineral resources. Congo have the third quarter of mineral resources. Congo have third quarter of mineral resources. We have coltan, we have diamond, we have gold, we have zinc, we have everything, every mineral resource. Even those are not discovered yet, they exist. But coltan is used for communications. If we have laptop today because of coltan, if we have iPod today because of coltan, if we have telephone today because of coltan, if we have computer because of coltan, if we have a satellite communication or connection because of coltan. So this is very important. Is very important mineral that they use for communications. That's why this killing or cleansing is going on in Congo. Uranium is used to make nuclear bomb. The nuclear bomb, I'm sorry about my English, is not very good. I'm trying very hard for you to understand. Nuclear bomb that everybody knows about Hiroshima in Japan. The Americans used that nuclear bomb to kill or to destroy Japanese. So it's very, very powerful mineral again. Apart from that, there are a lot of mineral resources. But this mineral they are taking, they are looting, they are getting it for free. As long as they keep on changing the president, they keep on putting any president that they want, it gives them freedom to take anything or to loot anything that they want in Congo. So there's cleansing of Congolese. Also there are population control, so that Congolese or black men should never be able to stand against them. So as a diaspora, you should understand that we have a war in front of us, which every diaspora, every black person should stand up and fight it once for all. Because what is in Congo, the mineral that is in Congo, is belong to every black people. Every black people should benefit from these mineral resources. You see, so we black people, or with the Congolese who are fighting, are not fighting only for ourselves, but for all black people. There are prophecies that left that there will be a time that you, the diaspora, will be going back to Africa. But before that happens, Africa should be free. So as I'm talking to you as one of your brother, you should understand that we should stand up, all of us, hold on hands together and free Africa once for all. But don't leave this matter only for the Congolese or the black people from Africa. No, it's for every black person in everywhere around the on the four corners of the earth. So it's our war, and we should free ourselves spiritually, politically, and science. I think this is all I want to say right now at this moment, but there's a lot to say. I will keep on explaining slowly. You are welcome, brothers and sisters. I will speak to you soon again. You're welcome. Bye.